Hello guys, in this video let us check out the Invisible Shield Glass Light Privacy Glass for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see, the features are 4x shutter and scratch proof, two-way side-by privacy, clean smudge-free screen, smooth silky feel, reinforced edges, etc. The application of this tempered glass is very easy. You don't need to go to store or anything. You can do it yourself, which is quite easy. You can just clean your screen, place the easy apply tray on your phone, put the glass peel and the same apply some pressure and just remove the plastic film. You're good to go. So this is the glass. You can see it is quite privacy focused, and even if you see from sides you won't see anything. The first step is to take the wet wipe and clean your iPhone 11 Pro Max, your phone screen thoroughly. Then take out the microfiber cloth provided, clean any of the water remaining. Now put up the glass, align it correctly, and remove one side of the glass and put it on the screen so that it gets applied perfectly fine. Now you can see the bubbles are moving out slowly. They are moving out, so just press it hard until everything moves out. Now remove the top layer screen and you're good to go. You can see now we have applied the privacy glass, and you can see we are not able to see anything. Even if I tilt from the side, the you are not able to view anything. This is quite good for privacy for people who travel frequently on public transport, and this will certainly guard your privacy when you're using your smartphone. So guys, that was a quick video on the privacy glass shield for iPhone 11 Pro Max. Catch you guys soon in the next video.